National Book Trust India kabahap hapo katanat puli puthi ke sarkar pedeng kalapin na ban Pynlong ya ke Shillong Book Fair ha ke Sien kabaar kapan sedang Naduh ke Tarik haduk ke khatlai Tarik urisau arajar phosau la Pynlong ya ke ni de jing temu ban kring ya ki riu et puli kot ke Shillong de jing pai khamat Kamtam Shaki Samla baki kena o Principal Secretary Jong Katanat Arts and Culture uba FR Khakungor ula penpau halor ke jing et puli kot kinong Shillong da ka ba penpau halor ke jing penmi ke Shillong ya kinong tho badon sam kibalayot jing itu ha ka perthai
Considering many languages one nation, so are you also?
We are expecting that there will be very high footfalls, and there's an innate interest amongst amongst the citizens of Shillong about books. And Shillong has produced many writers also who have published at Sahitya Academy. Some of them are doing very well internationally, like Janice Pariat and so on and so forth. So I think this will also inculcate this reading habit. We have seen the perils of the mobile technology in the recent past, and we are sure that with these efforts from the National Book Trust along with the state government, that it will help to wean them away from technology.
Katanat District